Hi, my name is Dr. Emmanuel Abel, aka The Bullion. Welcome to 50 Recycling Limited, where we turn trash to cash. Come and let me show you what we do here. So, this is the first time I am taking people that I'm going to show you guys what we really do here. You know, starting from, so this is where it starts. It starts all the way from that angle. You don't come to this way, so you don't get it from there. So it starts from all the way from there. So that is the section where we buy video, like, no, you're passing too much. So that's the section where we buy the materials. So when the materials come in, we buy them, we weigh them, right? That's the weighing going on there, right? And when it's weighed, to take out material that we don't want, then it goes over there, down there. That is where it is sorted according to the type of plastic that it is. How would you let go? So we buy from this section, and of course these are other types of materials that we also buy. Yeah. And here are other types of plastics that we buy. These are PVC pipes, PVC seals, and all that. All right, come with me. Let's go. So this is the section. This is the section where these materials are sorted according to the type of plastic that it is. All right, let's go. So from there, it comes to the factory. What you see here are labels. Labels moved from PET bottles. So they are also sold to people who use them to manufacture car parts. Okay. So these are sorted materials. These are materials called PET bottles. Sorted and ready to be processed into plates. Over there are more labels built for supply. Don't mind the environment. You might not hear me from here on, but let's go. So it goes in this way. So this is where it goes in for manufacturing. It goes in from here. It is sorted. It goes in through the line where it is processed, and then from there it comes out at that end as a finished product. So because of the noise, I cannot go deep down inside there. So I'm going to take you to the side where the finished products are, so you can see them when they are finished and ready for export. So this is another type of equipment that we have. This is a locally produced label remover. Right? Locally made label remover. However, it's not very functional because of we're trying to get it right in Nigeria. I don't know if you guys can help me, but let's go. These are the final products, right? So these are final products. They are bagged like this. These are bagged. They are bagged out from, and these are those final products. After those production, the materials are scaled, they are weighed before they are stored over there. And that's the final place before it is exported. So from this angle, the materials are loaded into a container. Tomorrow we shall be loading one container here. Sometimes we bag them in big bags, other times we bag them in small bags. It depends on where the materials are going to. You know, if they are going to Europe, if they are going to Asia, if they are going to America, depends on where we are exporting. That is what determines the type of bag that we will bag them in. What you can see over there are finished products. This is what we produce today, right? And what you see over there, it's I could estimate that today we produce over 3 tons today, about 3 tons to 4 tons today. And of course, that determines the amount of money generated daily. There's a lot of money in the waste recycling industry, and one of the things I've done over time is to design classes where people can learn how to do this business online. If you want to learn how to do this business, go register for any of my courses. I have a course called PPWROC, which is PET Plastic Waste Recycling Online course, where I teach you how to recycle PET bottles and turn them to flakes, to bales, to whatever you want to turn them to. But I teach you from the mistakes I've made over the years. I started this business in 2018 and I made it official in 2019. I made a lot of mistakes when I started. I lost a lot of money because of that mistakes. Today, you are lucky to have me to guide you. There's a lot of opportunity in Africa, and Africans can explore that opportunity to the full potential. So if you want to register for any of those courses, I have PPWROC, which is PET Plastic Waste Recycling online course, where I teach you how to recycle PET bottles and sell them in the local market anywhere you are in Africa, be it Nigeria, be it Ghana, be it Togo, be it the Republic of Benin. You can do this business anywhere you are in Africa and make a lot of money. There is money in waste. There is a lot of money in waste, but you must be ready to work. It's not a get-rich-quick kind of business. If you are ready to show up, as you can see, I show up every day. If I'm not here, I'm out there. I'm in my hub. I'm always hustling. You must be ready to show up. If you're ready to show up, then you make money in this business. As I was saying earlier, I have a course called PPWROC, which is PET Plastic Waste Recycling Online course, where I teach you how to recycle PET bottles and turn them to wherever you can sell in the local market. And then I have another one, which is OPWROC, which is Other Plastic Waste Recycling Online class, where I teach you how to recycle plastic such as, let me show you this type of plastic. Now, these are different types of plastics. And in OPWROC, I teach you how to recycle this type of plastic. OPWROC is for PET bottles, like bottled water, such as this one on the floor here, right? Yeah, the one on the floor. Good. Cover food. That's for OPWROC. Why? No, sorry, that's for PPWROC. Why? OPWROC is where I teach you how to recycle plastic such as these buckets, right? What to do? Plastic chairs, plastic buckets, and all that. So that's why I teach in OPWROC. While I have another one, which is a VIP class. It's a 2-day physical class. Let's go out because of the noise. So I have another class called PPWEC. PPWEC is a 2-day physical class that happens twice every year. It happens twice every year. It happens in March. It happens in September. The last weekend of March and September. That's a VIP class where you have the opportunity to learn from it directly, and I also bring you to this place where you can witness recycling processes in real time. This is for Africans. It's for Africans, not just for Nigerians. The last 2 cohorts that we had in March and September, we had people in attendance from UK, from America, from Ghana, from Cote d'Ivoire, from other African countries who came all the way to Nigeria to learn this business. And the truth is that you must consider it an investment upon yourself, because whatever you learn here, whatever you pay to learn, you will make that money in your first container. Waste recycling is a lucrative space. There's a lot of opportunity. You can decide to venture into other types of plastics, or into PET plastic, or into films. I talk about all this. However, if you pay for the VIP class, you get access to all of my classes at the same time. So of course, what better offer can you get out there? I don't know any other person who is teaching waste recycling like I am. I am doing the business. I'm not just teaching you what I read in the book. I am teaching you what I know, what I live every day. What you see here is my facility. I started this business on a first empty land. Today, I own this property. I own the equipment. And of course, we are doing a lot here. I'm employing over 100 people here. So this is an opportunity for you to explore. If you want to learn how to do this business, or you want to register for any of my trainings, there will be a link in the caption. I'll also put a video of my a link on my website, www.emmanuelabel.com. That's my website. You can go check it out, and there you can register for any of our classes, or use the seller link in the caption. That seller link takes you straight to my store on Seller. The first two classes I talked about are online classes. Why PPWEC? PPWEC is a physical class. It's a 2-day physical class that happens here in Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in that, hit me up. Let's teach you how to turn trash to cash. Your dirty, not money. Show them around. Show them around.